What's cinema like in San Luis Obispo? This is Griffin Davis's opinion.
I love it. It's great. It's really refreshing, actually, that to have a place that's not as big, it's not as mainstream. But it's a beautiful area. So any sort of film you get here, just grabbing scenery shots, and everybody would be like, "Wow, that's beautiful. Where'd you go to get that? New Zealand?" It's like, no, it's just Central California, you know.
Next, hear Moara Johnson, Assistant Director of the San Luis Obispo Arts Center, talk about the unity of the cinema community.
It's like you've got the Palm's got a really great thing going on, you know, and what Jim is doing is amazing. And then you've got the Film Festival, which it's got its own thing going on, and then you've got the Fremont doing their thing, but it's like it's not coordinated. It's like you've got people, and then like Jim D and Phil Mays are doing a lecture series at the library on film noir, right?
Yeah.
But that's another thing, and so it's like there's these. It's like we're not working together. And I think it needs to be more cohesive. And what I want to do is make some cohesiveness to it.
Finally, Palm Theatre owner Jim D expresses his concern about the movie-going audience in San Luis Obispo.
Here in San Luis Obispo, we do have, a lot of different things going on. In fact, it's pretty ambitious, I would say. On the other end of the spectrum, the audience, I would say, is... we have all these opportunities to see great cinema here in this town. Whether they're well attended or not, I think what I experience here is the fact that sometimes they're here or sometimes they're not. It's hit and miss, and the fact that all this stuff is going on here in town is fabulous. I just hope that they can keep going.